Hello, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Well, I waited way too long, but I sold some stocks. I changed some 401k to the safe zone. So I got rid of the American Express, American Axle, SQM. SQM is lithium. I think that's in Chile. Caterpillar and John Deere. So I lost a few over the last, been almost 2 weeks, hasn't it? So I lost a few grand. No big deal. We're all going to lose a little. So, but with the stock market, I didn't sell it all. I didn't sell the little stuff. Just the big money. I'm going to let it sit in there and just sit. That way when the market crashes, I still got something there. And when it hits rock bottom 3 to 9 months later, then, and you'll know it hits rock bottom when you see 2 to 3 spikes down, like the Dracula teeth at the bottom. So then we'll drop it back in. Make a noise. So 401k is going to be, it's going to lose a little. It's in the safe zone. I don't know if that's 5%, but I didn't look into it. I took so long because I really haven't traded in a little while, and one of them merged, and it was a mess getting in there. Then I had to do a questionnaire, and to get, man, and the one phone call took nearly an hour. So, but they were all nice. They all walked me through, so I could trade the stocks, trade the 401k over, and I feel so much better. I might have lost 5 grand, maybe more, but it's not a big deal because I'm going to pick it up at the rock bottom and double it later. That's the way I roll. Almost 30 years I've been trading, so that's how I'm going to take care of the homestead savings, so I can get this place in the country soon and afford more things. I don't need toilet paper anymore. I don't need much for food anymore. Tomorrow, I'm going to look into the surveillance cameras and another pea shooter, okay? So we can protect our goods. And I got some masking, I got a few other things. So I'll keep you on the update with what's going on. I couldn't shoot it while the sun was, yeah, you guys see this. I always love this. It was mostly cloudy earlier, but I got the last couple hours full sun. So that's a beautiful thing. Forgot what I was gonna say. But anyway, I'm gonna end it right here. I gotta watch y'all's videos, and I got to volunteer for Saturday, so I will be working. All right, I will see you on the next video. Please subscribe on the YouTube side and like, maybe even leave a comment, and we'll get back with you on another day. So have a nice, beautiful, sunshiny day.